Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Yash Mhatre, aka the Explorer, back again with a brand new vlog, and this time it's gonna be a travel vlog. So, by the title, you all must have guessed that today I'm gonna visit the Yaur Hills, and it is the nature side of the Thane area. Without wasting any time, let's get into the vlog. So for this vlog I have my friend Tejas with me, and now we are gonna wait for him, and when he arrives we are gonna move towards the Yaur Hills by rickshaw. So yeah, let's move. As the watchman didn't give us the entry, so we are at the back side of Yaur Hills, and now we are gonna go from here. So let's begin with it. So we are at the back side, and here is the road, if you can see. So now we are gonna climb from here, and let's see up till where we can go. And yeah, let's continue. So guys, can you see the scenery behind me? So this all is the Yaur Hill part, and we have entered from here because there were many watchmen and policemen standing at the gate which didn't give us the entry, but I had to vlog, so I came from the back side. And yeah, now I'm gonna continue with this road here back, and let's see where it goes. I don't know actually where the road will go, but there are people walking up there. I think so there may be a waterfall. Let's go. So this is the jungle of concrete, and this is the original jungle. So yeah, we are continuing upwards. It's exhausting actually because I usually don't do much exercise. I do a little bit, but not like this. Okay.
ते बघायला एवढंच वाटतंय चढायला असेल तिथे गेलो की आपण भाग बिघाला तर मी बोलेन मी आधीच गरीब आहे हाफ चड्डी घातली बघ विचार कर खायचं की नाही मला तुझ्या हा बघ महागातला घरातला रोज सोनं बिण्याच्या ताटात जेवतो खूप प्रोटीन याच्यात खूप मिनरल्स आहेत
So can you see that big tree there? So we are targeting that tree, and this is going to be a total adventure. And I thought there may be a road by which we can walk and climb up the hill, but there isn't. There is, but unfortunately we can't go from there because as per the lockdown rules we can't go from that side. But I have to vlog, so I'm going up there and I'm targeting that tree which seems big from here, but I don't know how much big it is. So I have my friend with me. So yeah, can you see there is a route going up there? So by this route I think so we will reach there. Let's see how it goes. We covered a short part, and I think so from here you can see clearly. I will try to zoom in. It's okay. So I will shoot another part where I can zoom the tree. So it's massive, it looks massive from here. Let's go and see there if we can climb up there. Let's go. So I don't know how much distance we have covered, but the paved path has finished and it is up till here. So I don't know, after that we might have to pave our paths ourselves. Where middle of the jungle we are. Actually we are trying to go there because that gigantic tree is there. So we don't know actually the route for here. We are trying to follow the path of a waterfall here, but the waterfall is dry actually. We are not on the waterfall. So we are trying to follow that part, but that part is taking us at the opposite side. So I don't think so we are gonna now follow the waterfall path, and we are gonna now make our own path, which I said before, and we didn't. We followed the path of waterfall. Unfortunately, that was a better option, but now there is no option, so we have to make our own path. So yeah, let's move towards. करायला लागतं vlogging साठी हे सगळं. So actually the path here ends, and there is no route for us going towards that gigantic tree. I don't know why I am saying that gigantic tree. It's giant, but I don't know how giant it is. We will see when we reach there actually. So the waterfall path goes from here, if you can see, and this is where we have to go towards the tree. So yeah, let's continue. I see a little bit route, but there are plants with thorns on it. I think they may hurt us. So I don't know how we can reach there. And don't worry, we are very careful about climbing, and we are taking care. So yeah, let's move. So I don't know where we have reached, but we are near that gigantic tree, but we can't go further because of this dense forest here, and there are trees and plants and bushes here of my height, and even Tejas couldn't go further. He literally paved the path to here. So let me show you that gigantic tree if I can. I don't know it's possible or not. Oh no, I have to go a little bit down. Can you see that gigantic tree behind me? If you can't see that, now you can clearly see that gigantic tree there. So we tried to go there, but we couldn't. As you can see, there is a dense jungle between it. So you can see this large trees surrounding that gigantic tree. So I think so that tree must be the king of this jungle. So yeah, this was it. We tried to reach there, but unfortunately we couldn't. We don't have the right equipments to go up there, and I tried. I tried did my last, but no, I couldn't go there. If we had the right equipment, I will definitely go up there, and let's see in future if we get the permission from the right path, we may go there. We literally paved the path here. We don't have a path to go up there, but we tried our best to come up here and see where that tree is and how big it is, but we couldn't. Yes, yeah. So now we are returning down, and yeah, so let's go. So now we have got our waterfall route back here. So we got it from here. So we are now continuing towards the downside, and yeah, it was an awesome time here. It was a real-time adventure, I would say. I got into a jungle to just see how giant that tree was, and yeah, it was an amazing time at Yeur, and I would say it's good for trekking, I would say. So I would say that it is a great place for adventure, trekking, hiking, etc. Actually, we are lost in the jungle. While coming, this wasn't the route, which you can see, but I don't know. Actually, I see a Man vs Wild a lot, so we will just follow the path down, because according to Man vs Wild, every waterfall goes to a, what I will say, human settlement. So we are following that, but I definitely know this is not the path, because it was not so dense route. It was a clear path, but I don't know where we did the mistake. So we have, unfortunately we were lost, but Tejas is saying that we have found the route. So this was the route which we came from. Here you cannot see because of the dense grass, and here is where they continue. I can actually see the route down there, but there are many trees which are obstacle. So I'm trying to climb up. Tejas is saying that he has got the route, Okay, so we have got the route. So we just needed to climb up. Wait. Sorry.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest.
So we couldn't trace the path to that tree, but it's fine. We did a great adventure. We clicked many photos and etc. So we enjoyed the nature here. We enjoyed the area. I will say everything. We enjoyed everything. We had a great adventure, and I will suggest if you want to have a great adventure, you must visit here. And I will say visit during morning time, so you will get to see the sunrise. And here we are enjoying it. So I would like to end this video here. This is Yash Matre aka The Explorer signing off. See you in next level vlog. And if you like the video, then you must hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, share the video as much as you can. And if you want to visit the Yor Hills, you can visit at any time. I would suggest in morning. So this is it. Bye bye. See you in next travel vlog. Bye.
We'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon.